Doge Army, what's going on? Welcome back to the channel. Let's get into it. I want to bring up something very interesting that had been mentioned today and some breaking news for Dogecoin holders. And it's not going to be something that's going to shatter the chart. We're not going to go up 15, 20% based on this news, but it's one other reason why I don't clump Dogecoin within the other meme coins out there in the space. And I do feel like it's relevant to talk about it right now. So let's get into the discussion, okay? Guys, if you're new to the channel, make sure you all hit that like button. Please subscribe down below and join us right here. We do talk crypto, Dogecoin, everything under the sun right here on the channel. I do appreciate all my returning subscribers. And if you're new here and you like Dogecoin, make sure you all hit that like and subscribe button. It's completely free to do, okay? And I do want to talk about what we're doing on the day. This was one where we woke up today in the early and afternoon session. We were into the red, okay? And now Dogecoin's trading at 21 cents. We are up down 4 and 10% respectively over the last 24 hours and the last 7 days. But that's all right, okay? And I think that as we look at it right now, we'll take it. And this is one where we talk about what we're looking at on the charts. And guys, please remember, none of this is financial advice. Always be sure to do your own research and due diligence when we talk crypto. And for me, it's simply put, we are on a nice little steady uptrend. If we zoom out and look back to March of 2025, 21 cents has been my support level that I have leaned on. And we have since, if we zoom in on it, basically over the last time period dating back through July 19th. So about 40 days from where we're at right here, right now. This is kind of where we look at multiple rejections as we try to dip down below 20 cents. We did it a couple times here, and 3-4 times to be exact. We did kind of have that nice little rebound and bounce off of that support. So it's what we want to see. I think that right now, as we look at it, this is some nice consolidation, just waiting for that next breakout to happen. We have not closed a green daily candle in quite some time. However, as we do look at it right now, still flashing momentum down here. This is where we look for the potential for Dogecoin to kick it in gear. And we're looking for a nice bounce back where we get to the 25, 30 cents level. And that's kind of where I see Doge headed, okay? So that's what I wanted to share with you guys in terms of the chart. As I said, it's not financial advice. I'll never tell you to buy or sell crypto. But this is the big article and the headline I want to share with you guys, okay? Elon's lawyer, okay, to chair a $200 million Dogecoin treasury. Now, this report coming out of Cointelegraph talking about Alex Spiro, the new public company will chair a $200 million investment into Dogecoin. Now, this is a Fortune report citing 6 people familiar with the deal. And now, as this is being pitched to investors as a Dogecoin treasury vehicle with the endorsement of House of Doge, that is the corporate entity launched early in 2025 by the Dogecoin Foundation and headquartered in Miami on Friday, okay? Now, if they do raise at least $200 million, this is something where you look into Spiro. This is where you talk about his representation of Elon Musk, Jay-Z, Alec Baldwin, a lot of investors that would potentially have conversations and be getting involved within this financial entity. Now, this is not just the only one. We have seen a lot of publicly traded companies getting into crypto treasury companies. Now, Dogecoin, this is something where they want to raise funds to buy and hold assets on their balance sheets. Now, Dogecoin, this is not a meme coin anymore, right? This is not a joke created back in 2013. This is where Billy Marcus did not intend that somebody would be a corporate entity raising $200 million plus back a Dogecoin treasury. Okay, so let that digest a little bit. And as we continue this discussion, this is where you see even a NASDAQ listed BitOrigin company securing $500 million in debt and equity financing to build its Dogecoin treasury. Okay, that was the first U.S. traded company to openly plan to add Dogecoin to its core balance sheet. Now, also, Tesla has also disclosed some Dogecoin holdings, a la the Doge father in there, but the position size has never been confirmed. And then also, we just coupled this with the momentum that we have right now in the market. We see a lot of top cryptos doing exceedingly well. And as we do look for Dogecoin and Elon Musk to kind of piggyback off of one another, this is kind of the in-between headline that does kind of take the narrative one step further, okay? This is not Dogecoin created by Billy Marcus, and this is just another meme coin that we have on Solana. This is a multi-billion dollar entity that right now, as it stands, is a top 10 crypto. And it's one that if you do want to talk meme coins, I more so classify this into a blue chip personally because it is the OG meme coin. And in my opinion, the one crypto that does have some longevity, if we're going to go down and talk about long-term meme coins and communities having success. It's meant for so much more. If we can get that to X payment system, right, some kind of incorporation that will even bigger than what we've seen with Tesla and Doge, if we can get that to come to fruition within Elon Musk, Dogecoin, that would be a huge monumental kind of mover, because I think that when we talk about actual real world utility, Dogecoin's really the only top 10 crypto, in my opinion, that does provide that in this current moment. Okay. You could talk about all the other blockchains out there in the top 10. Great tech, believe in a lot of them, huge cryptos, huge backings, even worth more than Dogecoin in terms of a market valuation. But Dogecoin, you can actually kind of go places and use it in your everyday, day-to-day life. Okay. Just a little off the cuff talk about Doge. Appreciate you guys all tuning in. If you have not, hit that like button and subscribed down below. Now's the time to do so. I do appreciate you guys tuning in for a couple minutes. And we'll thank you once more. And we'll see you guys all in the next video. Cheers.